Vietnam isn't just affordable, it's an adventurous paradise packed with stunning landscapes, rich history, and some of the best street food in the world. From the chaotic streets of Hanoi to the peaceful beaches of Da Nang, Vietnam offers something for every type of traveler, all on a low budget. Why visit Vietnam? One of the best value destinations in the world. According to the Post Office Long-Haul Travel Report 2024, Hoi An was ranked as one of the cheapest long-haul destinations. Everything from food to transport is incredibly affordable. So much so that even travelers on a shoestring budget can stay in quality hotels and enjoy full-course meals. The best street food experience. Vietnam's food culture is world famous, and there's no better way to experience it than through street food stalls in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. Dishes like pho, bun cha, and banh mi aren't just delicious. They cost less than a coffee in some Western countries. From bustling cities to tranquil escapes, Vietnam gives travelers the best of both worlds. The capital, Hanoi, is a maze of motorbikes, historic temples, and vibrant nightlife. Meanwhile, Hoi An offers lantern-lit streets, riverside cafes, and a relaxed atmosphere. If you prefer quiet landscapes, head to Ninh Binh's limestone cliffs or the terraced fields of Sapa. A paradise for adventure seekers. For those craving adventure, Vietnam doesn't disappoint. Crawl through the Viet Cong tunnels in Cu Chi, cruise through Ha Long Bay, explore one of the world's largest caves in Phong Ha, or ride a motorbike along the legendary Ho Chi Minh Trail. The possibilities are endless. Da Lat, Vietnam's hidden gem. If the heat and chaos of Vietnam's big cities feel overwhelming, Da Lat offers a refreshing escape. Located in the central highlands, Da Lat enjoys spring-like weather all year round, making it a perfect retreat for both nature lovers and adventure seekers. Wander the quiet streets lined with French colonial buildings, and visit the summer palace of a former emperor. Book a canyoning tour with Fat Tire, or take a mountain bike ride through rolling misty hills. Breathe in fresh mountain air and enjoy serene waterfalls and flower gardens in this peaceful escape. Digital nomad-friendly and long-term stays. With affordable long-term rentals, fast internet, and a welcoming expat scene, Vietnam is one of the best destinations for digital nomads. If you're looking for a country where you can stretch your money and still live comfortably, this is it. Vietnam is an incredible destination where you can live well on a budget of just $25 to $50 per day. Street food like picho or banh mi costs only a couple of dollars, and even budget hotels are incredibly affordable. Plus, transportation is super cheap, whether you're taking a motorbike, train, or sleeper bus. Now let's break down the costs so you can see exactly how affordable Vietnam can be. Accommodation. If you're on a tight budget, hostels can cost as little as $5 to $15 per night. If you prefer a little more comfort, budget hotels range from $20 to $40 per night. Meals. Street food is where Vietnam really shines. A bowl of pho or a fresh banh mi sandwich will only set you back $1 to $3. If you prefer a sit-down meal at a local restaurant, expect to pay between $5 and $10. Transportation. Getting around is super affordable. Long-distance buses and trains cost between $5 and $20, while renting a motorbike for the day is just $5 to $10. Activities. Vietnam offers both budget-friendly and premium experiences. A Ha Long Bay cruise costs $30 to $50. A tour of the Cu Chi tunnels is between $5 and $10. And exploring cultural sites like Hanoi's Old Quarter is completely free. Final thoughts on Vietnam. From backpacking the Ho Chi Minh Trail to hiking in Sapa or cruising through Ha Long Bay, Vietnam offers adventure, affordability, and unforgettable experiences. It's a destination that keeps travelers coming back for more.